Hey, hello to all. Welcome to Global Offensive Hacker Associate Community. In this section, we are going to learn about Wi-Fi Pineapple Mark VII. So let's first unbox this Wi-Fi Pineapple Mark VII. So here you can see this is the box, and this is how it look like. And let's first unbox this particular box. So first, if you see here, we will have this basically the box here. After that, we have the three antennas. You can just check it out. Then once you have all this, then you can simple connect this particular Wi-Fi pineapple right to the desktop. So I'm just going to connect this antenna quickly, and then let's connect this device to the particular laptop, and let's try to hack the particular Wi-Fi network. So what you can do with this particular Wi-Fi pineapple, right? This is maybe the question coming in your mind. So we can do many things. So this I'll guide you by the way what we can do. Just give me a minute. And here what we need here is we need one cable that is called Type C, and we need to give a power to this device so we can further see our network, and using the network we can basically audit a complete enterprise. So I'm going to audit my Wi-Fi network, and we will see that like how we can get the password easily with this Wi-Fi Pineapple Mark 7. So here you can see this is the type C, and I'm going to connect it. So it will take a time to boot up, and you can see clearly the light indicating here this part, right, the blue color. So it means if you are here, just wait for a little bit, and it will take a little bit time, and we need one device to test. So I can take one mobile phone to test, or I can take uh, the iPad to test. So in this case, like I'm going to take iPad and I'm going to connect via cable, so I can show the screen directly on my Mac system. And further, if you want to repeat the same thing with me, you can easily do that. So here it is, I'm connecting, and in order to connect to that Mac system, we require one software called QuickTime. So let me just go to the QuickTime player, and let's connect our iPad. So I'm just checking everything is connected, and here you go, right? So here, we are going to test this particular device. Let's go to the Wi-Fi. Here is Wi-Fi, and here you go. You can see clearly this two network belongs to the Wi-Fi Pineapple. So HA guest Wi-Fi Pine, and then we have HA official management, right? So I don't want to connect at this moment right now. Just leave as it is, and let's understand what we can do with the Wi-Fi Pineapple, right? So even if you go to the Google and you can people just type here hack 5 uh, pineapple firmware, and you can see we'll go to the Wi-Fi pineapple section here. So we have this device called Mark 7, right? You can simply click on this device, and here you can download the latest firmware here, right? So let's go and check the Wi-Fi pineapple hack 5 device. We don't want firmware. Now we can check the device, basically what we can do with this, right? So here it is. So this is the Mark 7 device, and you can see the screenshot, and exactly we are going to see the same. So first let me just tell you like what we can do with this Wi-Fi pineapple. So example, let's say you want to audit the particular enterprise Wi-Fi, you can easily do that with the help of Wi-Fi pineapple Mark 7. Second, you want to jam the Wi-Fi network, you can do that. If you want to basically capture handshake WPA2, you can easily basically do that. Plus many other basically like stuff like scanning, plus creating a rogue AP, man in the middle attack, and many more. You can do with this single device. And good thing is you can do everything using in one particular device in an automated fashion. That is a great thing. So in automated way, you can launch attack. Plus, if you have your own custom scripts, you can also integrate with Wi-Fi pineapple, and you can further do that. So example, let's say in this particular, basically if you talk basically on this example, if I take it, suppose I have this enterprise, and suppose if I have 100 system up and running here. So if I'm in the same network, I can scan the entire network directly. And maybe if I'm able to create an evil portal and they are connected with my particular network, even I can sniff the entire traffic. This is the amazing thing. Okay, so if you have any issues, okay, you can just let me know. Okay, you can message me on LinkedIn or Twitter. You can just message me there. Okay, I'll help you out if you have the device and if you want to test it, and in case if you have a difficulty, please let me know. So this is all about, okay, like the Wi-Fi Pineapple, what we can do that. Now question is how we can do that, right? So what we need here is, let me just go to that particular Notion nodes, and right now you can see I am on the screen. And let's go to the Wi-Fi Pineapple section. So we have offensive IoT hacking and section. Wi-Fi Pineapple is here. Okay, so we need to basically start okay on 172.16.42.1. So go to the Google, and here if I just go to the QuickTime Player, go to the Wi-Fi, and here you can see I'm going to connect okay to the network, right? Before this, I'm going to click on the official management. So this is basically a Wi-Fi Pineapple network, okay? So now I'm going to configure first. Let's go to Google Chrome and just type here 172. Okay, this is basically the portal. Okay, a Wi-Fi Pineapple. You need to enter the password. So you can see the root, and I'm going to enter the password here. So here you go, right? So you can clearly see that, okay, like I'm able to open this particular portal, and this is a portal of Wi-Fi Pineapple. So now you can simply close it. So I'm going to close it, and you can see clearly we are here now. So now these are the section. Left hand side you can see I have a dashboard, I have a campaign, I can create a campaign, I have a Pine AP, you can click on the Pine AP and you can see the details whatever we have here. Second, we have a Recon section, so you can go to the Recon area and you will see all the network nearby, right? You can see many network I can see directly. Then last section, okay, we have a model section, and now we are going to create a evil portal. So I'm going to create a evil portal, and here you go. So it's going to load. Okay, it'll take a little bit time. Just wait for it. So once I have evil portal loaded, I'm going to start the server, and then okay, like we'll try to connect to the particular network, right? So here you go, right? So you can clearly see that this is basically the portal where I'm configuring the things. So what actually will happen, okay, in the real world? For example, let's say you have a network named Herschel. That is the origin network where hundreds of people connected to this particular network. So what we will do is we will create a clone of that network. We will jam the network. We will recreate the same network, and people try to connect it. They will enter the password. We will collect it. That exactly we are trying to do, okay, in this particular video. So here what I can do is you can see clearly, like I want to give, okay, this called phishing templates. Okay. So these all phishing templates, even if you want to write, you can also write it. You can directly integrate, okay, to the Wi-Fi Pineapple. In case like you don't want to use this automated way, you can also basically do the same thing with Kali Linux with the help of 2 or 3 alpha card. So in this case, what I can do here is I want to show this page to the user called Yahoo login. So when simple go to that, activate. So I'm activating, okay, this Yahoo login, and you can see successfully activated. And if I want to see the preview how it look like, you can see clearly this look like this page. This page exactly I want to show to the user. Okay. So now I can start the server. You can see server is started. Make sure the server is started properly. And even if you want to add, okay, enable on boot, you can enable it. But let me try first, okay, without enabling this option. Let's see, are we getting the result or not? So I can simply close it and I can go to that, okay, network. So this is my network, right? So now imagine, okay, like I jammed the network and I recreated the new network. So you can see clearly on my screen, there's a network called Hacker Associate Guest Wi-Fi Pine. So now suppose imagine, okay, like the client, or which we can say the candidate or whoever it is connected, okay, to this particular network, you can clearly see that they are able to see the Yahoo page, whatever we created, right? And imagine, okay, suppose if anyone, so imagine suppose if anyone like suppose came to your premise, okay, or maybe came to your organization and you given, okay, your Wi-Fi network, and everyone will basically ask Wi-Fi network, right? So what if basically a user have connected to the network and you have created, okay, like this particular framework, so you will be able to sneak the entire traffic. Not only this, even I can basically sniff anything. Okay, like for example, let's say he's opening okay any attachment, or maybe he's sending a PDF file. Whatever he do, okay, with my network, okay, I can easily capture everything and I can directly download from his system to my system. Even though if he's using a mobile phone, in the mobile phone, okay, like he suppose sending an email and many things, I can also see that, okay, if I set up, okay, this thing in a proper manner. So not only this particular framework, I have many other framework where I can sniff the traffic. So if you think that SSL traffic, okay, like maybe in between, okay, like the traffic is encrypted, I have that option, okay, to basically see the traffic in the plain text. I can easily decrypt SSL traffic because this network is mine. There are many variation, okay, in this, which I can basically easily implement it. Even I have a program also for the same, okay, like offensive hacking and security expert program where I teach all these basically steps, okay. So right now, this is not basically our scope. We need to understand, okay, how we can get the Wi-Fi password. So you can see this is the Wi-Fi, and when I simply go to the Wi-Fi area, and I can connect to the guest Wi-Fi network just like anyone will connect it. And whenever they try to connect here, right, you can see they are connected now. And here you can see I'm entering my email ID. So just putting the email addresses. And this time I'm not going to put this password. Otherwise, you will open my account. So I can simply set okay the password and some number like last HARSH, okay, and next. The moment when you insert the particular password, you will be able to capture everything under that CAPTCHA portal. So what I can do, I can go to my iPad and you can see this is the you can see the client have entered the credential and now we'll go as an attacker. We'll go to this network like our own portal, HA official management. So this portal basically, if we want to hide, we can hide it. No one can see this particular network. Okay, this is just to demonstrate. So here, if I just cancel it, so you can see again, okay, it is asking the same thing, right? So I'll just cancel it, and I want to go to the Chrome and I want to refresh this page. Let's see, are we able to open this page or not? Yes, we are able to open this page, and here all credential I'll show you where okay it capture, right? So how to basically get basically this credential. So you can simply go to the preview area and this is the preview option which I already shown you and you can see click on the view log and you can see clearly see that see this is basically the email addresses and many thing okay like I have captured here, right? So likewise we can capture many thing okay with this, right? This is amazing. Okay, as I mentioned, we can sniff anything and this is a part of offensive sniffing. Even I have also written offensive sniffing book, okay, which is available okay on my portal. Have a look into this hackerassociate.com. So likewise, many things we can do that. And in future, I will show you a different attack. Okay, the same on the Wi-Fi area. And the same thing if you want to do manually, you can do with the Alpha card, but you require technical knowledge and you can have a look, okay, to the particular course, Offensive Hacking Security Expert. This is all for this particular video. I hope you enjoy the video. See you in the next video.